Sluggish previews, random crashes, After Effects just being weird, 9 times out of 10 it's your cache. Today I'm going to show you how to remove it, and I'll actually explain what are these settings so you're not just clicking buttons blindly. Head over to Edit, Preferences, Disk. Once you're in, you'll see two main sections that we need: Disk cache up top and conformed media cache below. They are different and both matter. Let's start with the bottom one, conformed media cache. So every time you bring your footage into After Effects, it will convert those files into preview-ready format. So that's what conformed media cache is. Basically, it's After Effects doing the heavy lifting so your previews stay smooth. And trust me, how complex After Effects compositions can get, you want this to work for you, not against you. Now, top section, this cache. This is where After Effects store already rendered frames from your composition. So when you scrub through your timeline, instead of re-rendering everything from scratch, it pulls this cache. Smart system until it gets bloated. Worth noting, After Effects won't cache super simple frames like solid colors or text. It is smart enough to not do that. Now a quick tip while we are here. And this one is actually makes a difference. Move your cache folders to a separate drive from your footage, ideally SSD. You can see the folder paths right here under each section. Keep them separate, avoids read-write conflicts and speed things up noticeably. You can also limit how much space the disk cache eats up. Mine is set to 25 GB. You can dial it up or down depending on your storage situation. 20, 30, whatever works for your setup. Alright, now the part that you came for. To clear the disk cache, just hit the empty disk cache right here. Gone. Your drive just got some breathing room back. For the conformed media cache, click Clean Database and Cache. That button handles both the database and the cache files together. That's it. Two buttons and your After Effects feels lighter, faster, and whole lot less moody. I mean, why are you still here? What do you expect from me? Like, the tutorial is over. I mean, if you're still here, you can press subscribe. These guys. And this video is not sponsored by Thermal Take. I know you saw the logo behind my chair, but it's not. Bye for now.